We talk a lot about diet, supplements, and exercise when it comes to staying healthy. But part of staying healthy isn't just what we eat. It's also what we're exposed to every day inside our homes. Finally, I found 7th-generation multi-purpose wipes. These wipes work on most home surfaces, so I don't need multiple products, and they handle everyday messes really well. Although safer than some body wipes, they aren't made to use on your skin, but I use them everywhere and even in the bathroom. What I especially like is that the garden mint scent comes from 100% essential oils and botanical ingredients. There are no synthetic fragrances or dyes. It smells fresh but not overwhelming, and they leave a fresh, clean scent, not perfumey. And they don't dry out, and they're convenient. I can just grab one and clean quickly without spraying something heavy into the air. For me, this is part of building health, reducing unnecessary irritants where I can. Small changes like this may not seem dramatic, but over time they add up. Click the link in the description to get what I use to keep my house clean and safe, and see my 6 Steps to Health plan.